Right now we have decided to take a little break from the trade fairs and to see the beautiful city of Parma.
When you're in Parma, you should speak Italian. So, ciao mamma, ciao papa, ti amo, grazie mille, tornerò, arrivederci. Mua!
On the top of my list, there's coffee, for sure. That's the best thing I couldn't do without to survive the fair. And of course the contacts with the customers.
We are really driven by product innovation. We are a company which never stops, and every appointment at SPS every year we really come with a lot of novelties, both in industrial controls products, but also for energy management.
I would say this represents maybe the core business for Vago in Italy. Here you can see our offer, our portfolio in automation and in distributed I/O.
Good news is that you don't have to wait till Maggio 2024.
Because we are going to be this September at Energitab.
See you there.